I believe my role is injecting the values of love, respect, and humility in Indian politics. I think what is missing in our political system and across parties, love, respect, and humility. Love to all human beings, not necessarily only of one religion, one community, one caste, one state, or to those who speak one language. Respect to everybody who is trying to build an India, not just the most powerful, but the weakest. And humility, not in others, but in oneself. So I think that is how I see my role.